Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology issue, that is from IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. What is that? Once you have to see. Indian team develops new way to repair space bricks to launch aboard Gaganyaan. So, India government may be up to the end of this 2026. So, we are planning to send the Gaganyaan mission. Within that Gaganyaan mission, Indian team develops a new way to repair a space bricks. They want to repair to launch the aboard Gaganyaan. What is that information we have to see in this video? IISc Bangalore team bacteria based method may help repair the cracked bricks on moon. In moon, not on the earth. So, in the moon, on moon, so the bacteria based method they are using, may help repair the cracked bricks. They want to crack, if the bricks, if you get any crack, so through the bacteria, so it will be repaired. The researchers have developed a method using the bacteria to repair the bricks used to build the structures on the moon, right? So, what is the main purpose? Researchers have developed a method using a bacteria to repair the bricks used to build the structures, on the moon, that can develop the cracks due to the widely swinging temperatures on the lunar surface, because in the lunar surface so much of the temperature suddenly rises, and after certain hours the temperature it goes to the negative, also the negative temperature also it decreases. So, that is why sudden swinging temperatures are there. So, because of these sudden swinging temperatures, that bricks can break. So, to repair that bricks, these IISc Bangalore people used one bacteria based method. The researchers made artificially cracks in bricks, into which a slurry made of Spurosarcina pasteur bacteria, that is the bacteria name. What is that bacteria name? Researchers made artificial cracks in the laboratory. Into that, they slurry made of Spurosarcina pasteur bacteria gar gum. So, that gar gum and lunar soil like material was poured on that. Lunar soil like material was poured because of that bacteria. So, the bacteria can decompose urea in the environment to convert it into carbonate and ammonia. So, this bacteria can decompose urea in the environment to convert it into carbonate and ammonia. So, the calcium in the bricks were made with calcium, can react with the carbonate. This react with the carbonate to form a calcium carbonate, which along with gar gum. This gum serves as both a filler and a cementing agent. So, it is a filler or making as a cementing agent, thereby repairing the cracks. Clear? So, we want to establish a space station, Bharatiya Antariksha Station. We want to send the Gaganyaan through the moon, right? So, there we want to construct the building. So, once you have to construct the building with bricks based on the rising and falling the temperature, sudden swinging the temperatures of the lunar surfaces, maybe there is a chance of crack the bricks. So, how we have to repair in the lunar surface on the building? So, these cracks by using a bacteria, so we have to repair that cracks. This is the chemical formula. So, IISc Bangalore people are introduced. This is very very important. So please remember that bacteria name also you have to remember, the Spurosarcina pasteuri, Spurosarcina pasteuri bacteria. So based on this bacteria, gargum and lunar soil like material was poured. So this lunar soil like material is artificially based on this bacteria prepared and poured on the cracks. That cracks will be removed or cracks will be repaired. Thank you so much. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel, like this science and technology issues. I will upload in every day. So listen and like our bell button. Thank you so much.